How to find random lives on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find random lives on Instagram. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. And now to find random lives on Instagram, you will have to go live yourself first. So go ahead and swipe right and you will be led to the interface from where you can post stories, reels, posts and go live on Instagram. So go ahead and tap on the live option and then tap on the camera shutter button to start the live and your live will begin shortly. Once you are live, tap on the share button you see on the bottom right of your screen and share your live with a friend. Once shared, you can end your live video. To end, tap on the cross symbol on the top right of your screen, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on discard video and then on discard again. Now go ahead and open the conversation whom you want to send the live video to. Here you will see your live video you sent to them. So go ahead and tap on the watch more button you see there, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to watch all the trending live videos. So this is how you can find random lives on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.